Hello and welcome back to another After Effects tutorial. So we've got a background and we've got an image here. Very, very simple. I'm going to click on the background layer and we're going to click on the pen tool and we're going to just do a little path here. Let's make it fairly smooth. We'll just make it go around a little bit. And there we go, there's our path, right? Very, very simple. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're then going to press the button M. It's going to open this, and you can see we're going to get this which says the mask path. So we're going to make sure we click the mask path, and we're going to press Control and C. And now we're going to click on this, and we're going to press P. And we're going to go to Position, and we're going to press Control and V. Okay, so what that's done is it's actually pasted the mask path to that arrow. So let's have a look and see what happens. Okay, that's yeah, pretty successful. What happened there? So we look through the CTI. We can take a look. And you can see each of those keyframes is getting to one of the anchor points we just made. Okay, and the final thing to do is we click on this arrow and we're going to press the button R, which will do rotation. I think there's two ways to do this. We can orient along the path. Let's have a look at that first. Let's just try 90 degrees. I'm trying to... There we go. So yeah, so that's really all I wanted to do in this video. An important thing about masking. So thanks for watching.